What you saying, guys? It's Dante back with another video, and today's video is going to be pretty quick. It's going to be an unboxing and a review of some Evisu jeans that I got. So let's get right into it. You know, before I get into the video, I have to do a quick fit check, and right now I'm not wearing anything too crazy. Calm fit, a cool fit, and it's this leather jacket that I got from Boohoo. And you guys would have seen it on my last pickup video, my fall pickup video. So that's that same jacket. So this is it right here. A plain black tee and silver necklace. As I said, it's a calm fit, beanie, all black. So you know it's a calm fit, cool fit. You know, fall time, so I'm not doing too much right now. Just making this video, but let's get right back into it. So this is the box that the Evisu jeans come in, and I ordered my jeans online on the Authentic website. So this was the box that came in, and the shipping was very quick. It was probably like 2 or 3 days, right? And it came from Japan, so that tells you everything that you need to know. And I'm in Canada, so to come in 2-3 days, that's insanely fast shipping. So yeah, the presentation, as you can see, is immaculate. Like, this box is like, you know, like a pair of shoes. Like, so I really mess with this presentation, and if you're spending that much money, you should have a presentation like this. As you can see, these are the jeans right here, and these are the Evisu Daicock or Daicock. I can't pronounce the word. I don't know how to pronounce the word, so bear with me. So it's the Evisu Daicock 2000 baggy jeans, right? And this is in a washed out black colorway. The stitching is yellow and orange. As you can see, it has the 5-button pocket at the front. And on the back right here, it has the God patch. Also on the back is the infamous arch, and it's actually not an arch. It's supposed to be a seagull, but it doesn't necessarily look like a seagull, at least on this design. But yeah, that's what it's supposed to be, and it's in a cream colorway, and my version, it's a little bit like distress, so it kind of has black creeping through. So one thing I will say, it's not as baggy as I thought it would be. It's more so, I want to say stacked, because it's a 34 length. So on me, since I'm 5'10", it's a lot more bunched up at the bottom. But it's not necessarily baggy, it's not wide, right? So just keep that in mind. It's not necessarily the widest pants. It's not straight or slim either, so don't get confused, but it's just not like wide like some Balenciaga pants or something like that. Another thing too, I would say to size up. I'm a 32 usually. I size up to a 33, and to me, it's a good thing I did, because the waist is perfect. Not perfect, like, it is perfect. It's not tight on the waist. So for me, sizing up one size was good. I could size up 2 if I wanted to, so just keep that in mind. But I would say just to size up at least 1, right? But other than that, this is an amazing pair of jeans, and I'm so happy I copped it. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and see you guys in the next video. Easy.